Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of January? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Alright, quick question before we get to the question. Is there any other AIs you would like me to play the game with? In the past, we've used Grok. It hasn't been too popular. About a year ago, we did DeepSeek, and that ended up getting some really big numbers. But because of all the drama with it, I ended up not continuing with them. So let me know in the comment section below what other AIs you would like to see play the game. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are doing the guessing game again, and this time it is Bitcoin. We are guessing the price of BTC for January 2026. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around 92,900, and considering current market conditions and recent developments in the crypto space, look back at Bitcoin's historical performance in January since it first launched. Has January usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for January 2026, a bullish guess, a bearish guess, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit us with the results. Alrighty, and we have our answer from ChatGPT. In historically January trends, it looks like Bitcoin tends to be a more positive month. Some analysts point to an average 11% gain, obviously no guarantees, but with all the crappiness in the crypto market recently, it would be nice if we did have a green month. But let's take a look at the guesses that ChatGPT has for us. The bullish guess, 118,500 range, 116,000 to 121,000. And the official guess, this is the guess that ChatGPT is going to be ranked off of, depending on if it's right or wrong, if we consider it a win or a loss. The exact guess is $103,250, range 101,000 to 105,500. Then the bearish guess, which is 89,750, range 87,500 to 92,000. And there you have it, guys. We have our official guess from ChatGPT. I know it's been struggling over the last couple months. Ever since October, it really hasn't gotten too many things right. But it's a new year, new ChatGPT. I have faith it is going to get this one right. It's a gut feeling. And let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Are you bullish with the official guess, bearish guess, or somewhere else? Let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.